Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to replace or service the filler valve for Alkin paintball fill station. This is a single man fill station. Basically it has a filler valve. When you push this down on the sides it starts filling, and it has a gauge showing you the pressure. First thing we need to do, we need to remove this the back cover, so it's holding 6 screws. So I'm going to remove the screws now, remove this back cover, so I'll have easy access to inside. So I removed the back cover. Now I need to disconnect this piping so I can remove the valve. I need a 14 millimeter wrench. And I need to remove this bolt right here. And I need to take the knob out so it can go through the hole. I'm just gonna bend this to the side and this one as well. Now I have my valve on my hand. Now I need to open this part out so I can see what's the inside. So I have my valve. I'm going to remove this brass piece. So once I remove it, I see a spring inside, and I see this washer. This washer is the problem. If it's brass, it gets damaged and the valve doesn't work proper. And this one is steel, so it needs to be replaced with the steel one. So once you replace this, you have to put it back the same way it came out. So this grooved side goes on at the bottom, and you put your spring on the top, and then you put it together, and you don't need to over tighten it. You just make sure that it's just closed properly. Now I have my valve. Now I just need to put it back together.